Become a fashion designer from the comfort of your home. Yes. Now it is the beginning of the year where everybody wants to improve, upgrade, and all the rest. Learn a skill. If you're not thought of what to learn, fashion is one of the skills that will be giving people millions in their pockets, in their bank account. So, guys, I bring to you free fashion training, online free fashion training. It is free. Do not give excuse why you have not joined, why you are not joining. All right. So what you need to do right now, please see the number on the screen. What you need to do is chat the number interested. Okay. Now, or on the description, you will see a WhatsApp link. Click on it, click on the link, and join the WhatsApp group. In this training, it is massive. Like we'll be starting from the scratch, starting from skirts. We'll be treating different skirts, different blouse, different gown, different bustier, different trouser, and shirts. Babies not excluded, all total package for you. In calculation, we will be starting from scratch. This is a beginner's course. This is a beginner's course. It is totally free. Intensive online training. Intensive, when I mean intensive, we will be digging deep in all these styles. Yes, you can become your own fashion designer. You can become a fashion designer from the comfort of your home. So many people have testified, but those that are having issues are those that are not seeing, that have not been guided. In this training, you will be guided to learn. So basically, in this training, we are treating the beginner courses. That is what we are treating. We'll be treating the beginners on skirts, the trousers, the blouses, different. We'll be making up to 20 different styles. Are you ready? If you're ready, then you chat. If you're ready, you click on the description and join the WhatsApp. You see the WhatsApp link, click on it and join. Don't be messed out. Like this is the beginning of the year. You need to start it in a good note. We need to start it with a skill. All right. So many are making money in this line of fashion. There are so many businesses in fashion industry. Yes, you can learn and decide to do. There are so many aspects of fashion. So make sure you're joining this training, intensive training. Don't be left out for any reason. We'll be teaching so many styles, and it's completely free. Do not say, I don't have money. That was why I did not join. Join this training. You will not regret it, I promise you. Make sure you chat the number, click on the link, and join the WhatsApp group. Okay. All these styles will be treated. Here are some of the styles to be treated. After the training, you should be able to be making this styles. All right. So many styles will be taught. Well detailed training. Be part of this training. Don't miss it for any reason. All right. Send message, chat, WhatsApp message to the number you're seeing on your screen. Okay. You'll be added to the group. Be part of this training. You never regret it.